Okay. Fourth one. If rows is coded as 6821, chair is coded as 73456, and preach is coded as 961473. What will be the code for search? What will be the code for search? Yes, analyze. Let me know. B. Yes, answer D. B.
Option B, sir.
B. Okay. See here, rows is written as 6821. If you want, write it down. Rows is written, else it's not required also. Rows is written as 6821. Preach is written as 73456. Sorry, chair is written as 73456, and preach is written as 961473. Observe R value in each of the cases. R is going to be 6 here. Is R 6 over here also? Yes, it is 6. Is R 6 here also? Yes, it is 6. So R value is 6. Okay. Then O, is it same? All check only for two different letters. If it is same, everything is going to be same. If you want to check with E is going to be 1. So is E 1? Yes, 1. Is E 1? PH, E is not here. Okay. E is 1. So obviously search also you can do it. So what's the code for search? S is nothing but 2. So it starts with 2. Everything starts with 2. Okay. E is nothing but 1. So it can either be option B, D or C. Okay. This is eliminated. A is nothing but 4. So this can be 4. So this option is eliminated. If this is eliminated, so now you can just observe these two parts. Okay. So here like R, if you search, it is done. So R is going to be 6. So obviously option is going to be B is also eliminated. You need not do it for every letter of. Fine. Use the elimination method whenever it comes handy. That is more efficient. Okay. Next one. Friend is coded as HUMJTK. Candle is written as how? Friend is coded as HUMJTK. Write it down all. Write down the letters and check what is the relationship between them. Write it one below the other so that you are able to analyze. If you don't write one below the other, it will be difficult to analyze as a beginning. FRIEND is written as HUMJTK. Now from F, how to reach H? G and H. So this becomes +1. Okay. From R, how to reach U? +2. From I, how to reach M? +3. From E, how to reach J? +4. This keeps on going. So this is a increasing sequence. +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. So the same logic needs to be applied over here. C +1 is D. So immediately your options are only B and D. So these two are eliminated. So here just observe these two options, B and D. C and E is changing. So A +1 is, sorry, A +2 is, sorry, wait. See now, yeah, and that's what I'm also seeing it. Okay, after F it is G. After G only they're giving H. So there is a gap of 1 year, right? After G, H is coming. So it is going to be, even if it is +1, after +1, whatever value is going to come, that is the one. After F it is G, and the next letter is H. So here after C, the next letter is D. After that, the next letter is E. So the options can either be this and this. So these both are eliminated, right? After R, S, T, gap of 2, the next letter is U. So here A, B, C, the next letter is D. So option is A. Fine. Which one? Option P, D, P. Yeah, it is P only. It cannot be RR. Obviously, both are not same. It has to be P. Okay. Some error might be. Clear? Sequence. There might be questions where you're getting sequence of it. Plus, yes. Okay, next one. 3A, 2B, 7C. Truth is eternal. 7C, 9A, 8B. 3A, enmity is not eternal. 9A, 4D, 2B, 8D. Truth does not perish. Okay. Now, if you're writing PGCET exam, sheet will be given to you. You can immediately strike out whichever is not the option. Do it in a minute or two, okay? Or at least in 30 seconds, you can solve it. If it is a computer-based exam, how do you approach it? Do not write every sentence on the sheet, on the rough sheet, whatever you get. Not the method, okay? Instead, what you should write is 3A, 2B, 7C, 7C, 9A, 8B, 3A, 9A, 4D, 2B, 8D. Okay, 8D. Now, see which is common in all three. In all three, is anything common? Sorry, 3A is common in 2 places. 2B is common in 2 places. 9A is common in 2 places. 7C is common in 2 places. That is what is common. I do not have all 3 common in something. Okay, let us stick with common in like 2 places. It can be 3A and 3A. What is common in question number 1 and 2? Sorry. Or like the option number, oh, 1 and 2, what is common? Eternal. Eternal is common and is also common. It means 7C and 3A can either be eternal or is, right? 7C and 3A can either be eternal or is. Okay, fine. Next, these are striken out and this is also striken out. Fine. Now, what are they asking in the question? Enmity. Enmity is available here in the second line. So the only option you need to eliminate is option number, or this not you need to eliminate. How do you eliminate not? Compare the second and the third one. In second and third, what is common? 9A is common. So obviously your not is nothing but 9A. So you are left with 8B, which is nothing but your option. 8B, which is nothing but your option. Okay. So this becomes the effective method in case if it is an online thing, in order to quickly write it down and sort out. Else what you will be doing is, obviously you can sit and think it over and you will get a mark, but the time taken for that will be 2 minutes. Okay. Every minute is very important in competitive exams. So do not spend more time in these kind of questions where it can be scored easily. Fine. Clear or any doubt? Speed will come only with practice. I'll try to complete the concepts, but practice it. See here, you can write this part alone. This part alone, eliminate the things and start. Pit na song, na jotod, about pit, jolin caught. Write it down. See which is common in all three. If not all three, then go for 2. Eliminate it and see. Else the other way is, which is the question asked is, in order to find out is what you should eliminate. In order to find out is, you need to eliminate water and life. Water is available in 1 and 2. See what is common in 1 and 2. In 1 and 2, pit na song, na jotod, na is common. So you can eliminate na. Na is eliminated. So water is eliminated. Life is available in 2 and 4. So life, Joe is common. So Joe is eliminated. So life is eliminated. You have to write dot. So this becomes the answer. If it is a sheet, you can directly see it, eliminate it, finish it off. But if it is not a sheet, computer based, you need to write it down, right? At that time, this becomes hand. Fine. Both the methods, I have said you how to handle it. Okay, fine. Clear? Any doubts? No? Okay. 2197, Z is 2197, R is 729. How would J be written in that code? Now, whenever you see huge numbers, it can either be squares, cubes, something like that. Go in that track. Obviously, a single digit Z is equal to 2197 means obviously it has to be cube of something, or if it is something like 64 or something, it can either be square of something. So either go in that track or this track. So now Z is equal to 219. How can it be? Z value is 26. Can 26 square give you 2197? No. Can 26 cube give you 2197? Yes, sir. Check. No. Then yes. Check. What is 10 cube? 1000. What is then? If 10 cube is 1000, obviously it has to be more than that. The given number 2197 should be something more than that. So 11 cube will give you 121 into 11 is 1331. Okay, 1331. It is getting closer to 2197. 12 cube will make it much more closer, something like that. Okay, fine. Sorry. How did you get 30? Okay, if it is 13 also, how did you get it? Okay, see, one of the approaches, whatever you said. Okay, fine. Else what happens? Z value is 26. Z value is 26. Divide Z by 2. You get 30. Cube it. You get 2197. Okay. Our position value is 18. 18 by 2 is 9. 9 cube is 729. Right? 9 cube is 729. So now what's the position value of J? 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 cube becomes 120. Okay. So this becomes a much more effective approach if you are sure with what positions can you divide it, multiply it, whatever. So whichever method you said, that also holds good. If you're comfortable with that, do it. I do not want you to get confused with this. It's just another method. So if you're able to get a right answer with that method, it's just a logic. Clear? Online?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 9th one, I'm not doing it. It is similar to whatever questions you did it. You can give a try later on. Okay. Now this one. If air is called green, green is called blue is called sky is called yellow is called water is called pink. Then what is the color of clear sky? What have they asked here? What is that question asked here? They have asked you the color of clear sky. What is color of clear sky? Blue. Here the code given is for your sky is yellow. Okay, sky is yellow. Okay, they have given that code, but they have asked you the question what? Color of clear sky. Clear sky color is blue. Okay, fine. Okay, this one. Okay, take up 11th one. Write it down and analyze. Write one line, analyze the question, then start solve. Write down one line, analyze how is it coming, then start solve. Or at least a word you write it down, analyze how it is coming, then given. How many letters is it? 5 letters. Time. How many letters is it? 4. Simple. How many letters? 6. Plan 4. Okay. Here you have these numbers 4, 4, 5, 6. Is it matching? Yes. Okay, fine. Now What is the last letter here? N. So write the last letter. The first one is N, last letter. What's the last letter for second one? E. What's the last letter for third one? E. Last letter for fourth one? N. N. Okay. At the rate, as of now, you just write it down. So this is going to become, whenever it starts with what this is going to be time, right? Whenever it starts with T, they are writing it with that is what I'm understanding. Okay. Oh, okay. At the rate, you write it down. As of now, we'll see the logic later on. Okay. So this is and this is percentage. This is hash and this is ham first. Okay. So this is what is given over here, right? So this is how it is decoded. Fine. The same logic holds good over here. The same logic holds good over here. For each letter, you're going to find out how many letters is it and the last letter of it. Fine. Now, what are they asked? They've asked for plan and translate. How many letters is plan? 4. How many letters translate? 9. 9. What's the last letter here? N. The last letter here is E. Any option with N4 and E9? N4 and E9, the only option is B. Fine. Clear or not clear? Okay. So the first one given. How many letters is it? 4 letters. Okay. 4 letters. This is a 4-letter word. And this is this is 5-letter word. 4-letter word. Given is a 5-letter word, right? Given is 5-letter word. Okay. What's the last letter of given? N. What is the second letter? Time. How many letters is it? 4. What's the last letter of time? E. Simple is 6 letters. Last letter of simple is E. Plan is 4 letters. Last letter of plan is N. N5, E4, E6, N4. This is what is given here, right? Ampersand and at the rate. Don't think of the logic now. Just write it down as it's okay. So this is the logic behind the given question. If this is the logic, the question asked is plan. Plan is a 4-letter word and this is a 9-letter word. If this is a 4-letter word, the last letter is N. This is going to be E. N4, E9. Are you having any option? Yes. So directly select it. Yes. This is going to be N4. This is going to be E9. Fine. Okay. Clear online people? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now this one you just give a try. Yeah, it is easy only. Just do it. Yes. C here. D here. So how did you do it? System is written as sysmet. Nearer is written as ANRER. What's the approach? Okay. Split it. Reverse it. So if you reverse SYS, it becomes SYS only. If you reverse MTM, it becomes MET. That is a given one. Nearer, split it in half. It becomes AEN. RER remains same. So that is what is happening here. Split it in half and reverse both the sides. Fine. Easy ones. The same thing can be done for fraction. Fraction, if you split it half, it becomes CARF and TI1 becomes NOIT. CARF, NOIT is the option given here. Fine. Okay. So 13th one, hat is written as JCV, gun will be written as what? DL. See here, whenever alphabet things are given in small case, the options also should be selected in small case. If it is given in capital case, you need to select it in capital. So the option here becomes A, IWP.